Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to screen record on Clickup. Whether you're creating a quick tutorial or sharing insights with your team, Clickup makes it simple to capture your screen in just a few steps. First, head over to the Clickup website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one to access all of Clickup's features. Once logged in, you'll land on your homepage. This is your central hub where all your tasks and projects reside. Familiarizing yourself with this space will help streamline your workflow. Next, navigate to the Hubs section and click on Clips. This is where you can create and manage your screen recordings. Click Create Clip to set up your recording. When you're ready, click Start Recording to capture your screen activity. Everything you do will be recorded, so take your time and move through your steps slowly if you're narrating. This is perfect for tutorials, demos, or providing feedback to your team. Once finished, you can edit, save, or share your recording according to your needs. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily screen record in Clickup and communicate your ideas more dynamically with your team or audience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering your productivity tools.